Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Talkback on Samsung. So to do that, let me show you how you can do that. Head over to your settings application of your phone, and once you're there, scroll to the bottom and here go to accessibility. And here you will find the option of Talkback. Head over there. And as you can see, there is an option or the switch to turn on or off the talkback. It says how you can use the talkback. Swipe left or right to move between items, and double tap to activate an item, and drag two fingers to scroll. And if you want to turn off talkback, in settings tab, use talkback, there will be an outline. Double tap it. On the confirmation message, tap stop, and there will be an outline. Double tap it. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off Talkback on Samsung. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.